Hi everyone, my name is Francesca, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming again this month to prepare with me the monthly setup for May. The theme is Japan and pink. In my kit available on my Patreon page, I combined traditional Japanese elements with cute and more modern ones. The cover page is one of my favorite things about the collection. I love how it turned out, it's so relaxing to close my eyes and imagine being there. I hope we can start travel again soon. I want to go to Asia so much. Last year I had a trip to Korea planned, but obviously it skipped. And in this period 2 years ago I was in Thailand and my mind always goes there. So this theme with oriental vibes is perfect for me now, and I hope you can love it too. Anyway, this month nothing special happened, but one beautiful thing is that I bought a new tarot deck, the Antique Anatomy Tarot by Claire Goodchild. I love it so much. I love tarots and oracle decks, but I don't own so many. I have 2 oracle decks, while the ones I bought are my second tarots. I want to learn to read them better, and to do it I'm drawing a card every day, to see if there are correlations with my day or if I see some similitudes. I found them super interesting and a great tool to understand myself better. Do you also like to read cards, or have you never tried? This time I think I will let you watch me preparing my bullet journal without talking more. Oh, one last thing. These are the last pages of this notebook, so probably this month I will film a new video on starting a new journal. So expect an extra video. Okay, I think that's all. If you like the kit and if you wish to support me, on the description box there's the link to my Patreon page, and if you want you can also follow me on Instagram. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, remember to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Enjoy the video and see you next month. Bye!